Hello, Shopify store owners. Hope you're selling a lot of stuff on your stores. Another free section just for you guys. So we recently built a section for one of our customer and I thought to give it away completely for free just for you guys. And it's an animated banner for your Shopify store. So the most important section of your store where customer lands on your homepage is a banner, right? And we are giving you a free section within animations. So let me show you how cool the animated banner will look like when you add on your store. So as you can see on my screen, you can see that it's an animation behind which you can also change from the customized settings. You don't need to code, by the way, right? You don't need to code at all. So you can change this image here. You can change the settings. You can add a gradient background and you can change all of the settings in the mobile version as well. So if I look at the mobile version, that's how currently it looks like in the mobile version. Again, you can change all of the settings in the customizer. So let me take you to the customizer and show you guys what are the settings which you will be getting in this section. So I'm going to go to my online store. And currently it's working on Dawn theme, but I'm going to show you how you can add in Horizon theme or any of the theme. You can use it on free theme or you can use it on paid theme as well. So let's click on edit theme and check out the settings which this section has. So that is animated section. So if I click on this section, you can see that we have all of these settings which we can customize. We can change the text here. You can see that I added a test with the wrong spelling. Okay, so I fixed it. So you can add the text here. You can use your custom font. So by default, it takes the settings from your theme fonts, right? But if you want to override that and select default font or select different font for any of these here, you can simply toggle it on here and you will be able to change the font from here, right? And there are multiple other settings like changing the heading size, reducing the size, and there is a separate mobile settings for all of the section settings which is available here. So if I switch to the mobile version, I can then change the heading size to be different in the mobile version. You can see that it is 10 pixel in the mobile version, but if I take a look at the desktop version, it's back to 28 pixels. So all of the settings which we have here, and we have a lot of settings to change. All of these have a different mobile settings. So one setting is for the desktop version and the another setting is for the mobile version. Here we have these item settings. So these are the items and these are the hover items, right? And we can add 3 key items and 3 hover items. So currently I have these 3 features and this 3 hover item. So if I make it visible, you can see that you can add these feature on top of it. And if I hover over it, we also have the text showing up when we hover over every single feature. So you can change the text and settings from here. So that is our first feature, right? If you want to change anything here, you can simply add in your own text or you can change the icon as well. We also have these icon settings. So if you change the icon, let's say airplane, you can see that the icon's changing. You can also upload your own custom icon. If you have PNG images, you can simply upload and it's going to display as replacement to these default icons which we have here, right? So a lot of features which this section is offering for you guys and it's completely for free. And also I have recently created a GitHub repository. So that's the repository where you will find all of the free sections which we will be uploading on our YouTube channel. And currently it's showing 3, but we have a lot of sections which we will be uploading in this GitHub repository. You can find the GitHub repository in the description as well. Also, you can find the GitHub repository in the link of this section code where you will find in the description. So guys, before I show you guys how you can add this section on any of your theme, let me show some of the important feature of this section. So as you can see these hover items, you can change the positioning of these hover items and you can change the animated background or animation which we have on the background, right? So let me first show you how you can change the positioning of these features, which are showing like feature 1, feature 2, feature 3 here. So if I go to any hover item, And here you can see that we have a different position for the desktop version and a different position for the mobile version. So if I just change it here, you can see that it's changing the position. So that's for the vertical positioning, and that is for the horizontal positioning. And important thing is that you can change it differently for the mobile version. So let's say it looks like this on the desktop version, but in the mobile version, it looks a little different. You can simply toggle it from these mobile accordions, right? So if I change it here on the mobile version, you can see that it's changing its positioning, right? And now let's try to change the animation, which we have it here by the default. So if I go to this main section, click on it and scroll down, you can see that we have this animated background option, right? We can disable that. And we can also add in our own custom image animation. So if I click on it and select any of the PNG image, let's say, do I have any PNG image? I think I don't have any PNG image on the store, but I'm just gonna select any of the image to display you guys that how it's gonna look. So let's select this image here. And you can see that we have this image running animated, which is our custom image animation, right? If I remove it, it's going to go back to the default version. So let's remove that. And here it is now on the default version. So these are the most important settings which I wanted to tell you guys. You can also adjust the padding and margin for all of these feature. So these are 3 features and these are 3 hover items, right? So you can change the margin, change the positioning, and differently on the desktop and the mobile version. Now let me show you guys how you can install that on your theme. It's very simple basically. So I'm going to go to a different development store here, which I use mostly on my YouTube videos. Go to that development store, close this one, click on online store. And here you can see that it's using an older version of Horizon theme. So currently it's using Horizon 3.1.0 and 3.2.1 is available. So I'm gonna install the fresh Horizon theme, and we are installing the Horizon theme. And while this theme is being installed, guys, there's a link in the description. If you want to run your store for just $1 a month, use the link in the description and sign up for Shopify for just $1 a month. Okay, guys, our Horizon theme has been added. I'm gonna click on publish and then click on publish again. And now let's first edit code. Click on these 3 small dots and then click on edit code. And now all you have to do is just click on this arrow here and then the plus sign. So click on this arrow, open up the sections and click on this plus sign. So I'm going to click on this arrow to open the sections folder, click on plus sign and name the file animated banner.liquid. You can name the file whatever you want, but I just added animated-banner.liquid. And all you have to do is just go to the link in the description, which is in the YouTube video description, and then click on copy code and then paste the code here. If you want to go to the GitHub, I have this animated banner in the GitHub repository. So click on this animated banner. You will find the sections.liquid file. So that's the section.liquid file. And simply copy on this copy raw file and you can paste it on this animated-banner.liquid file. Now all you have to do is just click on save. And now we will go to our theme customizer. So click on this Shopify icon here and click on customize theme, which will open up on a new window. Now all you have to do is click on add section and you will find a section on the top. When you click here, you can see that we have this section showing up here. Now you can change the text, change the background image, add the gradient or add the solid background, change the animation. I've already shown you guys all of the settings. If I miss anything, let me know in the comments below. Also, if you want more free section, make sure to check out the playlist, which we have in the YouTube video description as well. Also in this article here, you can see that we have YouTube playlist for free Shopify section. If you open up that playlist, you will find a lot of free sections like how to add story timeline, how to add custom font, shape divider, how to add animated team page, how to add WhatsApp order button, simple testimonial section, show number of people, viewing product. All of these free sections you can find if you subscribe to this channel. If you do not subscribe, you will still find these free sections on YouTube and the GitHub repository, which we are putting up together. So you can find all of the sections in this GitHub repository. So all of these sections will be here as well. That's it for this video, guys. Let me know in the comments below how can we improve, what more you would like to see in our YouTube channel. And until next video, have a great day.